Now, related to the concept of one and few shot prompting and providing templates, there is another concept that can lead to better results, at least in some cases. You can provide cues, hints to ChatGPT. For example, let's say we want to get ChatGPT to summarize an article for us. For that, we could start with this role and then add this goal here, summarize the below article. Then I'll paste in that article, and thereafter I'm adding this instruction here, this piece of extra context to the prompt. I'm saying summarize the above article starting like this. The key takeaways of the article are, and then I have one empty bullet point here. This part here is a cue, a hint for ChatGPT, basically telling ChatGPT how it should start its response. And since ChatGPT and the underlying models, as you learned earlier in the course, are all about predicting words and completing sequences, completing text, you could say, it then tries to complete this sequence, this initial sequence, which I am providing to ChatGPT. So if I hit enter here, it therefore goes ahead, and as you see, it starts with the text I gave it and then adds a bullet point list with different key takeaways of that article I provided to it. So providing such cues, such hints to ChatGPT can be another powerful trick for getting ChatGPT to give you a result in the format you want it to get, and also sometimes to push ChatGPT into a certain direction or to get ChatGPT to focus on a certain aspect of its task.